If you thought the XRP saga was over, think again. We've got not one, but two absolutely massive pieces of news that are about to send the price to levels you can barely imagine. Make sure to watch this video entirely until the end, because this could change everything for XRP holders. Welcome back to Gold Rush Crypto Daily, the only place you need to be for no-nonsense crypto analysis that's going to put you on the path to financial freedom. I'm your host, Goldrush, and today, we're diving deep into two scorching hot topics that are setting the XRP army ablaze. We're talking final waves, millionaire making moves, and even USA Today telling the world to buy XRP. Let's get it. All right, let's kick things off with this absolutely fascinating article from Time Tabloid. As you can see right here on the screen, the headline screams, "Analyst spots XRP Final Wave, says this is where millionaires are made." Yes, you heard that right. Millionaires. Not maybe, not possibly, but are made. This isn't some random shill account, folks. This is Steph is Crypto, a respected analyst laying out a compelling case for XRP entering its final and most explosive run. Let's read a bit of this juicy intel. Crypto analyst Steph is Crypto has reignited bullish sentiment in the XRP community with a striking projection. XRP is entering its final and most explosive wave, a move that could turn disciplined holders into millionaires. Boom. Did you catch that? Final and most explosive wave. This isn't just a pump, people. This is the culmination of years of waiting, years of FUD fighting, and years of diamond hands holding strong. The article continues, drawing from historical market cycles, technical indicators, and recent price action. The analyst argues that the long-anticipated breakout is now unfolding. Unfolding. It's happening right now. This isn't something to watch from the sidelines. This is your invitation to the party. The chart shared by Steph is Crypto showcases XRP's long-term trajectory, highlighting three key peaks, 2017, 2018, and 2024, with the final wave projected for 2025. Historically, XRP has shown a pattern of explosive rallies followed by extended consolidation. This current setup strongly resembles the 2017 cycle that propelled XRP to its all-time high. Look at this chart here. Notice the pattern? History doesn't always repeat, but it often rhymes, and right now, the rhythm is screaming one thing. XRP to the moon. The article highlights the significance of the regulatory clarity. After years of stagnation due to legal uncertainty with the SEC, XRP has re-emerged with strength. The legal battle has largely been de-escalated following Ripple's partial win in 2023 and further resolution in 2025. With regulatory fog clearing, investor confidence is returning, and XRP's price is reflecting that optimism. The shackles are off, folks. The dark clouds have parted, and the sun is shining brightly on the digital silver. The chart projects a steep move upward, suggesting the final leg of a multi-year cycle is about to unfold. Get ready for liftoff. This isn't just a little pump. This is the main event. Let's talk about the numbers. XRP delivered a stellar performance in July 2025, beginning the month at approximately $2.24 and closing around $3.03, a 26% monthly gain. It reached a high of $3.55, a level not seen since January 2018. This marked XRP's highest monthly close in history, finally surpassing the critical $3.03 resistance level that capped previous cycles. $3.03. That was the line in the sand, the hurdle we've been waiting to clear, and we did it. This is monumental. Midway through July, XRP briefly dipped to around $2.96 following a 10% correction. However, strong buying pressure quickly reversed the trend, with XRP rebounding to $3.11, forming higher lows and confirming bullish momentum. Analysts like eGrad Crypto had emphasized that a monthly close above $3.03 would open the floodgates to price discovery. That target has now been met. Even with a little dip, the bulls came roaring back. This shows the underlying strength and conviction in XRP. This milestone suggests XRP has officially entered a new phase, one where previous highs no longer define resistance, and new all-time highs are back in play. Mark my words, folks, we are heading into uncharted territory. The sky is the limit for the people's coin. And it's not just about price action. Further validating Steph Is Crypto's prediction is the Relative Strength Index, RSI, on the monthly time frame. Currently at 72.20, XRP's RSI is testing a long-term descending resistance line drawn from the 2017 and 2018 cycle tops. A confirmed breakout above this RSI trend line would signal a massive shift in market momentum, similar to the setup before XRP's previous parabolic run. Look at this data here. The technicals are screaming buy. Momentum backed by real-world utility. This is key, Gold Rush Nation. XRP isn't just hype, it has real utility. Ripple continues to expand XRP's utility across global payment corridors. The launch of Rust, Ripple's US dollar-backed stablecoin, along with the XRPL EVM sidechain developed by PeerSys Technology, has introduced new use cases and enhanced interoperability with Ethereum-based ecosystems. More use cases mean more demand, and more demand means higher prices. Combined with rising institutional interest and the increasing clarity of U.S. crypto regulation, these developments provide strong fundamental support for XRP's upward trajectory. Institutions are getting in, regulations are becoming clearer. It's the perfect storm for XRP to absolutely explode. Final wave, final opportunity? The article concludes with this powerful question. With a confirmed breakout above $3.03, accelerating RSI momentum, and strong fundamentals, XRP appears to be entering what Steph Is Crypto calls the final wave. For long-term holders and strategic investors, this could indeed be the moment where life-changing gains are realized. If history is any guide, XRP's path from here could be swift and steep. As the chartist suggests, this is where millionaires are made. Don't be left on the sidelines wondering, what if? This could be your chance. But wait, there's more. Because just when you thought the XRP news couldn't get any more bullish, check out this headline from USA Today. As you can see in this article, it reads, USA Today features article calling XRP smartest cryptocurrency to buy. USA Today, one of the biggest news outlets in the United States, is saying XRP is the smartest crypto to buy right now. This is mainstream adoption on a whole new level. Let's dive into what they're saying. USA Today, one of America's biggest news outlets, has run an article which argues that XRP is the smartest cryptocurrency to buy right now with $500 due to its long-term growth potential. Long-term growth potential. They see what we see, Gold Rush Nation. They understand the power of the people's coin. The article says that real-world utility in the realm of international payments is the token's main selling point. Utility is king in the crypto space, and XRP has it in spades. Now, they do offer a touch of caution. At the same time, it cautions potential investors that they should not expect explosive returns that were seen in the past due to its vast size. According to CoinGecko, its market cap currently stands at $170 billion. Hence, XRP buyers should focus on slow and steady growth. While they might be tempering expectations a bit, let's be real, with the final wave upon us, slow and steady might just turn into absolutely parabolic. The opinion piece also says that stablecoins are more efficient than XRP for international transfers, but it has also stressed that Rust could indirectly benefit XRP because they are on the same network. Even their concerns have a silver lining. Rust on the XRPL ecosystem can only be a good thing for the digital silver. It's important to note, as the article points out, it is worth noting that it was actually syndicated from the Motley Fool, a prominent financial services company. Hence, the USA Today staff was not actually involved in producing it. However, it was still featured on the USA Today website and official social media channels. The official X account of the social media outlet boasts more than 5 million followers. The message is out there. Millions of people are seeing that XRP is a smart buy. Gold Rush Nation, I am feeling incredibly optimistic about the future of XRP. The final wave could be upon us, and the potential for massive gains is undeniable. Thank you for tuning in to Gold Rush Crypto Daily. Stay bullish, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's get that gold.